Welcome to NPM Tech. Incredible projects that will drive you crazy. Hovercraft. A hovercraft, also known as an air-cushioned vehicle or ACV, is an amphibious craft capable of traveling over land, water, mud, ice, and other surfaces. Hovercraft use blowers to produce a large volume of air below the hull, or air cushion, that is slightly above atmospheric pressure. Air gun. An air gun or air gun is a gun that fires projectiles using energy from compressed air or other gases that are mechanically pressurized. This is in contrast to a firearm, which fires projectiles using energy created by burning combustible propellants, i.e. gunpowder. Air guns come in both long gun and handgun forms. Ground effect vehicle. A ground effect vehicle, also called a wing and ground effect craft, wingship, flare craft or a chronoplan, is a vehicle that is able to move over the surface by gaining support from the reactions of the air against the surface of the earth or water. Digitigrade stilt. The digitigrade stilt is a peg stilt whose line follows the foot and not the shin bone. This allows costumers to mimic the walk of an animal. Mars rover. A Mars rover is a motor vehicle designed to travel on the surface of Mars. Rovers have several advantages over stationary landers. They examine more territory. They can be directed to interesting features. They can place themselves in sunny positions to weather winter months, and they can advance the knowledge of how to perform very remote robotic vehicle control. They serve a different purpose than orbital spacecraft like Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter. Thank you, and don't forget subscribe, like, and share.